The power I focused on is love. And there are two primary areas that I have specifically focused on. The first area is allowing, and the second area is mirroring. Allowing for me means accepting people where they're at on their eternal journey. And as I move around this experience, I still find myself wanting to fix people. After my awakening event about 4 years ago, I was going around and basically hitting people over the head with the metaphysics that I was receiving and learning. And I thought to myself, if this person just knew the truth, they wouldn't have to suffer or be a pain in the butt to me and others. So I would launch into a long-winded monologue that usually didn't end well because I wasn't being present with them. I wasn't being that presence of love with them. Instead, I was trying to change them into something I would be more at peace with. And I realized I was still coming from the head and not the heart, and I was being self-righteous and spiritualizing my ego. One of the things that keeps coming up for me, and something we talked about in class, is the idea of divine order. And this for me is the idea of trusting that each person has their own soul contract down here. And their guides and higher selves and a host of others, both physical and non-physical, are all helping this person through their lessons that they wanted to experience down here. And this knowing allows me to take a step back, let them learn at their own pace, and to respect their free will, and to know that all is well, and to stay in my heart center, which keeps me open to guidance. And in that quiet place, I'll know if there's something to share, or just to hug them, or to encourage or compliment them, or if there's some action to take, or just be the presence of love without saying a word. And trust the process. Don't try to force it, and allow it to unfold naturally. Course in Miracles says the only thing that heals is love, and it doesn't mention anything about being a corrections officer. So the second area is mirroring, and this means being grateful for people that have shown up in my life and continue to show up in my life as mirrors to reflect back to me areas I'm unconscious of. Again, referencing A Course in Miracles, it talks about your brother being your savior, because they do so much for us. I think back on difficult situations growing up with my parents, teachers, fellow students, friends, girlfriends, coworkers, bosses, and they all had a valuable gift for me. And that truly is priceless. And from those reflections, it allowed me to grow significantly in this lifetime. And for that, I'm truly grateful. And so going forward, when I'm with someone and I'm feeling a disturbance rising within me, I can say, thank you, my beautiful brother or sister, for helping me to see this place inside of me that needs attention and healing. And in concert with allowing, these understandings or knowings allows me more each day to be and see the presence of love in all that is around me, and to approach life with an excitement to do this work of healing my distortions with the help of my brothers and sisters with a glad heart. And with this focus on these areas, it's helped me to chill out, open up, shut up, and truly explore deeper and more meaningful relationships with others in a loving way, and to go easier on myself as well. And the area I was specifically focused on was prosperity. And the idea of prosperity is giving and receiving. And so if we want to receive, we need to make sure that we are giving. And so I really am focusing on giving all that I can, giving that love, giving compassion, giving empathy, giving forgiveness, and truly being my best with others so that I can receive the best from them, and giving that love so I can receive love from them. And that truly is prosperity. So blessings and love to you all. Namaste.